Hey everybody, Chris here with IPD, and in this video we're going to be talking about our rear anti-sway bar upgrade for P1 models, and that covers your C30, S40, V50, and C70. Make sure and check out the years that apply to the P1 and your Volvo model. If you like this video, make sure and hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Did you know that for over 50 years, IPD has been manufacturing and designing sway bars to increase the handling capabilities of your Volvo? And that's right, we are known as the Volvo suspension specialists, and we made this sway bar specific for the P1 chassis. So a lot of people want to know why there isn't a front and a rear bar. And with these new modern cars with the traction control, dynamic stability control systems on board with these vehicles, a front bar or sometimes even a rear bar may not be necessary. But that's why IPD tests. We manufacture each bar specific to the chassis. And in this case, for the P1 car, it's a smaller chassis. It responded really well with us just manufacturing a rear 22mm solid sway bar. A lot of cars come with different materials. A lot of people might think just because it's a few millimeters larger that it really doesn't do that much, but we've changed the material. It's a lot stiffer, it's a lot better, it's more durable than what you would find on the factory car. So we upgraded to 22mm, it's solid spring steel. We make our own polyurethane bushings and HD brackets that go on here. It's a direct replacement. One thing that IPD did to make things really easy is that there are two different types of rear control arms on these cars that use different end links and setups to mount the factory rear sway bar. We took all that out of the equation for you. We include different types of end links that come in the kit that will work for both of those rear suspension setups. So if you like what you see and you're looking to upgrade your car and get better handling out of it, get more confident while you're driving or steering or driving more aggressive, this is a fantastic upgrade. If you like these types of videos, make sure and like, comment, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Plus, you can always call our 800-444-6473, and one of our Volvo specialists would love to talk to you about increasing the handling capabilities of your Volvo. Thanks for watching.